Hello everyone, it's my pal. Today we're in Old Colwyn in Conwy County and we're exploring the Fairy Glen, or known as the original Welsh name, a Nant. The Welsh name for the area is fairly straightforward. Means the, and Nant means a stream or a brook, which makes sense because it's the area of land around the Afon Colwyn, the River Colwyn. The English name for the Fairy Glen, it was in the early 1900s. It was a bit of a fashion to name places that look kind of mystical or magical after fairies. So I think pretty much every town in North Wales has got a Fairy Glen of some kind, and it was just named that way to attract tourists. So one of the earliest references I can find to this area was a guy called Edward Lloyd, who was a traveller who travelled through Wales in 1699, and he said that the area was heavily wooded, that it was surrounded by 7 fountains. I'm not sure where they are. I've got an idea where a couple of them could be, but not all 7 of them. Eventually this bit of land was gifted to the council by the Meriadog estate in 1903, and now it's all protected woodland, and there's bits of it which suggest that actually it might be ancient woodland, so woodlands that's never been cut down for trees or replanted for trees, and you can tell by the amount of ferns in the area. Anyway, subscribe for more.